Hey guys, what's happening? Alex here, Bay Cities Construction. Hey, I'm here in my job in PV. This is a total house remodel. We're doing the demo right now. I want to walk you through and show you what we got done so far, and then I'm going to also tell you what we got planned for this place. So stay tuned, check it out. The house here, we're gonna walk through here with engineering. This is a vaulted ceiling. For those of you that want a vaulted ceiling, you can see the difference between the way that this part of the roof is framed and this part right here. That's more of a traditional framed roof. This is a big old fireplace that we're gonna remove. This is technically the front door. This is a kind of like your coat closet when you first walk in. We're gonna turn that into a powder room, so it's gonna have a toilet and a sink. In here, it's one of the bathrooms. So it's kind of a split bathroom. The vanity's there, toilet's there. We're gonna rotate that toilet over. Ripped out all the tile from the bathtub. This is the master, double sink action. It's gonna go there. Walk-in, kind of a closet by the bathroom. That's kind of cool. We're gonna do a new shower here. Toilet over there. This tub remains, so we're just gonna tile that bad boy up. This is gonna be the living room, dining room area. So once we get rid of this fireplace, this is gonna be an outdoor space. We're gonna have a door there, leads to the outside. Really kind of nice view of the golf course across the street. And then we've got the kitchen. So this is all stripped out. We're gonna put the plumbing back in the wall, do some new lighting, put in a new peninsula here. For the stove, it's gonna go there, and then it'll be the new dining room right there. Laundry's over here. It's kind of a little crowded. Not much to see right now. So this place is gonna get all new windows and doors. We're looking at Pella wood windows with a clad on the outside. It's pretty cool. They'll last a long time, and look forward to sharing that with you. Yeah, my name is Alex with Bay Cities Construction. You don't need a contractor, you need a team of pros. Stay tuned, log in, subscribe so you can get the updates as we progress on this remodel. See ya.